Alright, so we got this awesome new little toy here that Chris uses on his jobs. Do you want to tell us a little bit about this?
Yeah, this helps me with my job. It's a thermal indicator. It's a thermal imager, really. It's by FLIR, and basically it's infrared. I put my hand up in there to see all the heat, so it's kind of what Predator sees in the movies, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
the whiter it is, whoops, here's my hand. There it is.
So the brighter it is, the hotter.
The hotter it is, and the bluer and purpler it is, the more colder it is.
Mm-hmm. So we wanted to do this to show what?
Well, the human body temperature is 98.6 degrees. Usually, I run a little colder. I run around 97 and up. Oh, there's your face in there, and that's pretty cool. But we have a pet budgie named Bullet, and budgies and birds run very hot. They are the hottest vertebrates, probably the hottest animals on the planet. Average bird is around 107 degrees. I think we'd be very sick or near death if we were 107 degrees.
Oh yeah.
So let's find out what a hot budgie looks like in this.
Let's do it.
Okay, we got her out. She's against the white background, so the house should be cold behind her.
That's definitely hotter than your hand.
She is much hotter than I am.
How close she lets me get.
She fluffed. Wow, you can even see the the lace wing pattern. That's amazing. There's like a double outline. That's interesting. I wonder why it does that.
No, it's pretty cool. Or hot, I should say.
Yeah.
Look at her feet. Boiling feet.
Yeah, her feet are so hot.
Boiling hot budgie. Oh, there you go.
Thanks, baby. For our last little thing, let's look at what the nepenthes look like. Well, one thing I find really surprising here is that the pots are hot. Now, I don't trust the temperature on this isn't, I don't think it's on right now. It's saying 78 on that particular one. And my little thermometer here is reading 73 as the temperature in the room. But that is really interesting. It's mostly the pots that are black that have absorbed the heat from the lamps from above. Now, of course, this is nothing compared to what animals would be, like birds or warm-blooded mammals. And of course, when I put my hand in there to compare next to the plants, you can see there's just like no comparison. It's this huge difference in the temperature. But yeah, I think that the pots, and I left the hot spot on there, that's pretty cool, have absorbed some of the radiant heat from the day. Okay, and one final thing, I was talking about this with my friend AC Tipton 80. So, I'm wearing flip-flops right now, and if we use the thermal imager, I'll walk around the house for a little bit. Alright, there are my feet. Take my shoes off, and notice my shoes are still hot because I've been wearing them. They're retaining my heat. So there are my feet, and let's take a walk. I'm taking slow steps on purpose. There's a reason. Alright, now turn around. What? Yes, we have footprints. Hot footprints have been left in the ground. And that's pretty neat. And the shoes are still hot. They're still glowing. So yeah, definitely a lot of fun things you can do with this. And you can still tell where I walked. So yeah, that's about